Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video after I got banned. And in today's video we are playing Monkey Mischief. Welcome to Monkey Mischief. Username, yes, I did put in my username. Twins. VR. And my color code. I'm sorry guys. But this game, I have an odd feeling it's gonna be really good. Let's connect to a public. Excuse me? Yo, guys! Uh-oh. Mute.
To revenge him. Hang on to me. Hang on to me.
Are they here?
I'm on you, player. Hey, Purple's over here. Everybody!
Wait,
everybody!
guys.
We have to go!
What the heck?
We have to make our
What is this game?
Make a video or not? Purple, hang on.
Wait, guys.
Come
How do you play this game? Alright guys, this just got intense. I do not like this game.
Okay. He went this way.
This is bad. This just got a lot more intense than I thought it would, guys. I'm going to go check out the shop. Oh, sorry about the kids in the background. They're really loud. Whoa, what is that? What the heck? Whoa, guys. Chill. This is a family-friendly show. Not really. Man, I don't want to walk all the way up there.
Follow me. Go.
Alright, guys. Here's the mirror. Ooh, why do I look like that?
Oh, that's not blue. That's blue.
700 nanas, guys. We have 700 nanas. Yeah, we're too broke for anything. Oh my. How do you mute these people, bro? How do I leave? Alright, guys. I'm so sorry about these kids. I don't know what else is in this game, really, besides horror and
weird
this.
Monster thing.
Whoa, what's over there?
Oh boy, it's gonna be. Wait, hold me. Bro, I'm a new player. Stop grabbing me, bro. If we hold it close, this game is so high quality. Nice. It sometimes works, but also sometimes doesn't. Yeah, this is not working. Only works. I have no idea what's in here. We're only on Diagonal Land.
What the heck? I found a ball, guys. What the heck? Watch me seal up this.
I think you must have
Alright guys, I don't want the video to be too long. And these kids are like really loud. But hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.